In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your WooCommerce extension fast and easy. If you own an online store powered by WordPress and are using WooCommerce, keeping your extensions updated is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly. Regular updates often bring enhanced security, new features, and better functionality. So let's dive into the process step by step. To start, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing everything on your WordPress website, including all plugins and extensions. Once you are logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as this will make the process even smoother in the future. Now, let's move on to the second step. You will need to locate the Plugins option on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Click on it. This section contains a list of all the plugins installed on your website, including WooCommerce and its extensions. It's the heart of managing everything plugin related, so accessing it regularly helps keep things up to date and in top shape. Once you're on the plugins page, look through the list to find WooCommerce. It's generally organized alphabetically, so it should not be too hard to spot. Pay attention to any notifications or alerts next to it. If WooCommerce or any of its extensions need an update, you will see a clear indication of it. When you see that an update is available, you have two options. The first is to click on Update Now. This manual update is straightforward and usually takes just a few moments. Your site might experience a brief downtime during this process, but it won't take long before everything is back up and running smoothly with the latest improvements. Alternatively, if you want to simplify the update process in the future, consider enabling automatic updates. This feature allows WooCommerce to update automatically whenever a new version is released. This not only ensures that you're always running the latest version, but also significantly reduces the risk of running outdated software that could be vulnerable to security issues or bugs. It's important to note that before making any updates, especially automatic ones, you should have a recent backup of your site. This precaution ensures that if anything goes wrong during the update process, you'll be able to restore your site to its previous state without any loss of data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily update your WooCommerce extension. Regularly checking and updating your plugins helps keep your site secure, enhances performance, and provides access to new features. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out